Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Last time we talked about the two hens that are sisters that were brooding in the same nest, and today you can see that they've already hatched some chicken, and they are still together. They're not fighting. They enjoy their moment together with the chicken, and I would like to put them in a new home so at least they're going to be more safe, and also being in a house that will provide warmth for the chicken. So now I want to take them slowly and put them to their new home. As you can see, this is their new home that I've been able to make a few minutes ago, and this is where I'm going to place the chicken together with their mothers. I hope they're going to enjoy staying in their new home. Now I've already put them inside their new home, and now come and see their new home. There they are. You can see they're now happy, teaching their chicks how to feed. You can see how they're eating, they're enjoying their time there. You can see them there, they're really enjoying their time together. The chicks are also trying to eat. So I hope guys you've enjoyed the video. So remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, enjoy your time. Bye bye.